from the block is getting shot up. I feel your pain, homie. I got the same story, but since you came to Christ, you got to bring his name glory. No more living in the darkness, no more living heartless, cause you got that Holy Spirit dwelling inside your carcass. Your life been changed up, rearranged up. You've been reborn and you don't have to do the same stuff. You live regenerate, you get the benefit of Christ crucified, but you got to live in it. God is preeminent and forgiveness is unlimited. But stop and represent.
Get drunk, represent. Get drunk. If you know you reppin' Jesus, go ahead and throw it up. Represent. Get drunk, represent. Get drunk. If you know you reppin' Jesus, go ahead and throw it up. Represent. Get drunk, represent. Get drunk. If you know you reppin' Jesus, go ahead and throw it up. Represent. Get drunk, represent. Get drunk. If you know you reppin' Jesus, go ahead and throw it up.
From the flat to the drop to the birds, calling out to the cats who be dropping the word. Who be representing Christ, not ashamed, share his life, catching flag for his spots in the world. To the cats that representing well, while putting the cross on the move. As they reaching for the cats that stepping in the hell while they floss in new shoes. Got the gas and they floss in new coups. Back in hood rats doing the do. Acting a fool, better jigger, they figure pulling the trigger with vigor can make them bigger. Need to get in with the cops, grave digger, cause you live a life of sin, the wages is death. Living by the gun, that's the way in the death. But if you're living the life and living it right, put your fist in the sky with all of your might till you way out of breath. Chest bumping all hard, do the heavy fabrication. Thirsting for the Lord with heavy elevation. But you ain't far, drew a pull us in a car, cause you love the Lord and his habit of salvation. Reppin' like Stephen, getting stoned for the stone you believe in, or slinging a stone into the dome of the heathen Philistine. Throw it up.
Get drunk.